Oh, this isn't too bad. Yeah, this isn't bad. We have more coming. Actually, it's a bigger storm. Let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Saturday and Sunday again. And those ones are really big storms. Like this one is like not really a big deal. You know, not that deep. I mean, still deep to try to get out of. Like, obviously, he's going to have to shovel a path to get out. You can tell by, let me see if I can show you. See, that'll tell you how deep it is. See where the wheel is. So, yeah, I mean, they'll still be shoveling and everything. But, yeah, the big one is coming. That's the bigger one this coming week. So, all right. See you later.